So when we're solving absolute values, the first thing we want to do is find which values of x and make it so that x minus 5 will be a positive value, so that we don't have to switch the sign or anything. And we do this by setting x minus 5 to equal 0. We'll add 5 to that side, so we can say that x is equal to 5 when x is positive. So to have a positive value in here, and so we won't have to switch the sign or anything, x has to be larger than or equal to 5. But so obviously anything below that, where x is less than 5, will have a negative value. And we can express this more simply by saying the absolute value of x minus 5 such that x minus 5 if x is larger than or equal to 5, or negative x minus 5 if x is less than 5. And these we can treat just like restrictions. So now we can write out these two equations where negative x minus 5 equals 9 and x minus 5 equals 9. And now that we have these written out, we can solve them and see if x meets our restrictions. So we'll start with this one. We'll divide out the negative 1 from both sides, which leaves us with x minus 5 equals negative 9 plus 5, x equals negative 4. And negative 4 is in fact less than 5. So this value is not an extraneous root. And here we'll solve x by adding 5 to both sides. X is equal to 14, and 14 is in fact larger than or equal to 5. 14 is not an extraneous root either. So our values of x are negative 4 and 14. And it's as simple as that. Just make sure that your final values you're left with satisfy your restrictions, and you're good to go.